Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download your trades data. So first let's open up our app trades, and after that I want you to get through your profile from the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here I want you to go to this two lines on the top right corner, and after that I want you to tap on accounts. Okay, so once you get to your account, I want you to go through your this option, download your information, tap on it, and they will redirect you into Instagram, because Trades is a Trades Instagram app. So right here I want you just to tap on download or transfer informations, and you just need to select the profile that the one that you created with Trades. So tap on it and then next. Once you tap on next, there are two options. I want you to select the first option, all available informations, and right here either you can download the informations or the data to your device, or to transfer to destination to another device. So I want you just to tap on download to device, and right here you can create a file and it will be downloaded. The data of your trades will be downloaded to your device. So that's it, guys. You will just go into create file, and after that you just need to complete these steps that I already show you, and it will put you into in progress and it will be downloaded. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.